ClearAmp listeners, I'm using Ecamm as the software to record this video, so it has no software additions of how I use my voice with my Rode microphone. However, I'll use the word however. When I use my Rode microphone with phantom power, I have my Behringer mixing desk, I have my Behringer compressor, optimizer and limiter that I usually use for cutting out background noise and my plosives, and have this set to my liking. So that's what I usually use. I want to make sure that you understand that that's my analog type of way of doing things as an audiovisual person. As a professional, I like my analog setup with my rack unit over here that has my compressor, limiter and optimizer there, and my Behringer desk. But I've had this Rode broadcaster mic for several years now and I like the sound of it. However, this is the purpose of me testing both microphones out and letting you guys know what you think. So next up is the Logitech mic that I'm going to strip back, and I'm going to not use the Behringer limiter and optimizer. I'm going to use the Logitech microphone straight out of the box, use the little switches on the back of the microphone to see what the microphone actually sounds like. It's not going to be going to any compressor, limiter or optimizer in my rack. I'm just going to take a clean XLR feed into my mixer with the phantom power to let it work. So this is me with the Rode broadcaster mic that I've used for years. I'm going to now go over to the Logitech mic. Set up the blue Sona mic with the red pop shield here in my studio. So here we have it here. I'm going to take off magnetic the pop shields. I want to show you the other pop shield here. That's was in the box, I thought. Oh yes, it is. It's in here. It's the pop shield here. Usually it's in black, but the pop shield very light in the black format as well. There, and the box comes with a little adapter as well. See the adapter there. Right, raise your voice with the blue Sona. So I'm going to put it on the pop shield again. Clicks in. You have an adjustable left and right there on the side, and I have it on the Rode boom arm. Here is my mixing desk, not switched on at the moment. I have taken out the lead for the compressor optimizer, so it should be a clean feed in with the XLR, just one feed. Not going to turn on the optimizer here on my Behringer. I'm just going to turn on the mixing desk, switch off the optimizer, and then I'm going to power up my Mac, and we're going to test out the blue Sona here. Right here. Okay, here I am back on the Logitech microphone, the Logitech blue Sona microphone. Again, turned off my limiter and optimizer, just a clean XLR going directly into my mixing desk over here. And you can let me know what you think again of the actual sound. I love the fact that it is straight out of the box, plug in, phantom power, no preamps needed, just into my mixer, and straight away with a dual diaphragm mic capsule. Blue Sona's ingenious mic capsule design features two diaphragms, one optimized for sound for capturing your voice and the second mounted in reverse to cancel out vibration. So again, here's me moving around the mic arm up and down, left and right, and an integrated hum bucking coil prevents electromagnetic hum or interference from your monitors or light. Internal shock mount isolates the mic from capsule and makes it sure that any bumps or vibrations, and that's me tapping the mic from your desk, stay out of streams. That's me hitting the mic or typing on my keyboard. Plus, the capsule is mounted almost 2 inches back from the grill so that your voice stays smooth and articulate no matter where you place the mic. Super cardioid and super quiet. Blue Sona super cardioid pattern focuses tightly on your voice and rejects sounds from coming from other directions. This is me sitting back from the mic. This is me in front of the mic, and if I even move it to one side or if I move it to the other side, whether you're a gaming live or recording a podcast, Blue Sona delivers stunning broadcast sound to your creative space. And we know the many rooms that are far from acoustically perfect. Now, this room, we have added some acoustic panels into it. So we have combined multiple innovative technologies, all designed to minimize key clicks, hum and vibration, computer fan noise and other distractions, so your streams are crisp and clean. This is a direct feed into my mixing desk over here, and just change the camera. This is direct XLR feed in, no compressor or optimizer turned on, in comparison to the Rode broadcaster mic that I used to use, and you can see the size difference right there. Like, yeah, okay, same length, but the weight is some difference on as well. And I don't need to use any extra equipment in my rack to tune it up. It's just straight out of the box, plug and play. Pro XLR connection, can be powered by 24 volt or 48 volt phantom power, so you can get stunning broadcast sound from your streams even with low powered audio interfaces. Blue Sound certified for over 25 years. Blue has made broadcast quality sound more accessible to creators in the process of becoming the sound of a generation of game streamers, podcasters and YouTubers. True to that history, Blue Sona is a kind of broadcast microphone that brings a sound that is both modern and approachable than traditional dynamic mics, with a smooth transition for a warm body through extended highs, perfect for today's streamers and gamers. I like the sound of this microphone. So the Blue Sona mic comes either in white or black. I was sent the white one. Okay, here I am back on the Rode broadcaster mic that I always use with my mixing desk and my compressor and optimizer. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Logitech Blue Sona mic that is just out now to buy, €349. Let me know what you think of it. I really like the actual product, really like it. There's the box there, holding it up to the camera. Now, in episode 60 of the All Things Techie podcast, I'm going to be talking to my colleague from DCU, Patrick Doyle. We're going to be using both one of the Blue Sona microphones while doing the podcast, and we're going to take a clean feed. We're also going to be using the Logitech Mevo cameras to do a perfect product review of both the Blue Sona in a podcasting environment with two microphones going into a mixing desk, and the cameras, the Logitech Mevo cameras as well. So stay tuned for that. That's episode 60 of the All Things Techie podcast.